ओपन क्विज कंपटीशन, विन अप टू 10,000 रुपीज, बिल्कुल फ्री।
एक सूचना है, अगले हफ्ते से ओपन क्विज कंपटीशन का वीडियो हिंदी में अपलोड किया जाएगा। हमारा चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
Based on the interaction shown in the photograph, which phase of the scientific method is being emphasized? A. Forming a hypothesis. B. Analyzing data and observations. C. Communicating results. D. Designing an experiment.
This compass is the primary navigational tool shown in the image. What critical information must a navigator possess in addition to the reading on this dial to successfully determine their true position? A. The exact time of day, chronometer reading. B. The current ship's speed, log reading. C. A current nautical chart of the area. D. The local magnetic variation, declination. The image shows a prism dispersing white light into a spectrum. Which color of light is being bent, refracted, the least by the glass prism, keeping it closest to the original path of the white beam? A. Violet. B. Green. C. Red. D. Yellow. A forensic scientist examines the inked impression on the card. Which specific type of fingerprint ridge pattern is clearly displayed by the index finger that just made the print? A. Simple arch. B. Ulnar loop. C. Plain whorl. D. Tented arch. The geologist is comparing the map to the real-world rock outcrop. Based on the visual appearance of the large structure in the background, which geological feature is depicted? A. An angular unconformity. B. A syncline downward fold. C. An asymmetrical anticline upward fold. D. A vertical strike-slip fault. The image depicts a conservator working on a valuable painting. Which of the following best describes the primary function of the laser-based device projecting the small red dot onto the artwork? A. Vaporizing surface dirt and varnish layers. B. Analyzing the chemical composition of the pigments. C. Measuring the precise depth of the canvas threads. D. Readhering flaking paint to the ground layer. The archaeologists are excavating a human skeleton. What specific method of recording are they likely utilizing, as suggested by the string line and stakes visible in the background? A. Remote sensing to find the burial. B. Grid excavation to map artifact provenience. C. Radiometric dating of the surrounding sand. D. Laser scanning to create a 3D model.
This intricate clock face displays various celestial relationships. Notice the positions of the sun symbol and the crescent moon symbol. Based on the configuration shown, what lunar phase is being indicated on the central dial? A. Full moon. B. Third quarter. C. Waning crescent. D. Waxing jeeto. The image captures the final steps of a research process. Referencing the specific handwritten note in the field notebook, what type of environmental observation was just completed? A. A classification of soil layers by particle size. B. A measurement of local magnetic declination. C. A spatial survey of ancient architecture. D. An analysis of a thermal gradient within a structure. As a diagnostic test, how is the laser device shown in the conservation lab image being used without making physical contact with the painting? A. By heating the paint surface to test for resin softness. B. By projecting an analytical wavelength that is scattered and captured, e.g., Raman spectroscopy. C. By measuring the thickness of varnish layers using ultrasonic waves. D. By creating an electrical charge on the canvas for subsequent cleaning.